Hi, I am taking care of Noida. So this is the target versus achievement for the quarter 1 and quarter 2. The figures for the quarter 1 are in the April we had a target of 17 lakh rupees, to which we achieved some 46 lakh rupees. May, the target was of 52 lakh rupees and we achieved 71 lakh rupees. In the month of June, the target was of 64 lakh rupees, but we achieved 35 lakh rupees. Now for the quarter 1, the total target was 1 crore 34 lakh rupees. We achieved 1.52 with the growth rate of 13.5%. Now the growth in the month of April came from April and May, to be precise, came from one of our client, which is World Health Partner. Last time it was not advertising with us in the month of April and May, but this year the client had advertised very nicely with us. The client has given us some 70 lakh rupees in the first quarter. So I closed the first quarter with the growth of 13.5% over my target. June we were down just because of the core sector, which is education in Noida, because in the month of June most of our advertisers did not advertise with us because few of them were get closed. One or two advertisers were shifted to some other location. So we got a hit in June just because of education. It was not that somebody did not advertise with us, but the advertisers did not advertise at all. The institutes got closed. In the July, our target was 33 lakh rupees, to which we achieved some 57 lakh rupees with a growth of 72%. In August and September, the target is 22 and 23 lakh rupees, and we project to achieve 34 lakh rupees in August and 33 in September. How I reached to these figures is we are in constant touch with our clients, and we believe that they will advertise in the same pattern, the information which we have till now. So I will close both the quarters at 59% growth. The second quarter at 59% growth. The overall growth for the first and second quarter will come to somewhere around 30%. Now how I will achieve my targets in August, I have mentioned this in client wise manner. The M&B footwear will give 10 lakh rupees, World Health Partner will give 12 lakh rupees, and the rest of the revenue will come from the other advertisers. The same manner I have mentioned for September also, the client wise revenue, which I believe will come in the month of September. So for the both the quarters, we will close at 30% growth over and above the target. Thank you.
All right, thank you.